time for the word. Come on, somebody. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Be blessed. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey, how are you doing? My name is Afi Elizabeth. I am a fashion consultant and I also love talking fashion on this channel, and I also do hair tutorial on this channel as well. If those are the type of content you love watching on YouTube, make sure you give me a like after you watch the video and you find that it helped you out, and also press the notification wow, press sometimes you gotta laugh at yourself, okay? Press that subscribe button after you're done watching my video if you find it helpful for you, and also press the notification bell button to be notified every time I post a video. So today's video we're going to be doing a haul. I picked up some stuff from H&M, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the stuff that I got. H&M is having some really good sales right now, and I figured why not go look at the store. Wait, look at what's in the store. Look what's on sale. And pick up some things, and that's what we did. I'm a little bit awkward. I don't know why. Like, I'm just a little bit awkward, but I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and we go on from there, right? Yeah. The number one, wait, not number one, but yeah, I guess it's number one. So the first item that I got from H&M was a sweater vest. This baby right here. I got this for $12.99. The original price is $19.99. I got this in an extra large. The reason why I got this in an extra large was because I, had ideas of wearing this as a dress underneath a, on top of, on top of leggings, boots, boots underneath, leggings underneath. Yeah, this is the reason why I purchased this in an extra large. And I'm a big fan of layering, so that was another reason why I purchased this in an extra large. As far as like the sweater vest, I absolutely love the quality of this. H&M, when it comes to like their knitting type of sweaters, the quality's usually there. One thing I am gonna say when it comes to buying sweaters or vests from H&M is do not put them in hangers when you get home. Fold them. And when it comes to washing, don't overdo it. I like to recommend people to take these type of items to the dry cleaner, because low quality items, even though it's it feels high quality, but if you wash them in your dryer, I feel like the quality goes down. So definitely take these to the dry cleaners to get them washed, or if you like to, it is what it is, you can definitely toss them into your. So my next find is something that I normally do not buy, and that is a sequins shirt. Sequins anything. I feel like sequins to me looks very cheap, but I figure let's get into the drip, okay? Okay, so we decided to purchase a sequin shirt, blouse, however way you want to word that. I got this for $10.99, and the original price was $24.99. This, I don't know, like when you're looking at it, you're like, does it itch? It actually doesn't, because the inside is like very soft. And yeah, so we purchased this just to see if we were going to vibe with the trend, and I like it. It looked like the type of things that you would add on if you wearing like a basic jean and you want something cute on the top. That's why I bought it. It's not my usual grab, but we decided to give it a try. Sometimes you have to give something a try in order for you to, see if it's for you. So yeah, the fitting, not bad. This is a medium, like I said before. If I didn't, this is a medium. Hey, what can I say? we bought it. My next find from H&M, I call this a grandpa sweater, but it's not. It is their boat neck sweater. It is a cardigan, if you want to knock down the fancy word. A nice cardigan. Cardigans are something that's really in style right now, and I figured let me go ahead and purchase more cardigans. Normally I'm not a fan of cardigans, but I still purchase them just in case like I'm somewhere in a cold setting. So yeah, so this is it. I got this in a size medium, and normally when it comes to cardigans I normally size up, but this one I wanted it to fit me, you know, actually fit me so I can actually wear it as a sweater or something fitted. So yeah, I bought this for $7.99. The original price is $19.99. It's not bad. The only thing I would recommend about this cardigan here is you really need to get a roller, a lint roller, okay? So because it seems like you're gonna be getting a lot of lint on this right here. It feels really soft, soft to the skin, yes. I'm not so sure about layering on this right here, but I am gonna say the quality is there. So my next item that I got from H&M, what's the name of this? The next item that I got from H&M was a raffle trim blouse, which is this baby right here. Okay, it looks like I got a lot of black stuff, but I promise you guys, yeah, it's this nice blouse right here. The original price for this was $24.99, and yeah, I got it on sale for $15.99, and this is a size medium. I love the texture to this. That's one reason why I bought this. I love the texture. It's not like your typical wrap when you go to H&M, which is another reason why I purchased it, because it was just like a whole different vibe. Like I've never seen something like this at H&M. Of course I've seen black blouse at H&M, but I've never really seen like the design, like the, you know, I've never seen something like this before, and that's actually pretty dope. So dressing this up will be really nice for me because it's like you can dress it down and you can definitely dress it up if you want. I definitely see myself wearing this a lot with just plain jeans, just like a basic, because your girl is getting into minimal, what's like that? Minimalist. I'm becoming a minimalist. Anywho, yeah, we are definitely becoming one of those people that buy less stuff and wear very plain colors. A minimalist. I think I got the word. I was kind of skeptical on how the arms will fit, because sometimes H&M has like moments where like your actual size when you try it on runs small, so you have to go up a size. So this ain't bad, okay? It ain't bad. It ain't bad. Last but not least, no, are my leather, I want to say they're shorts, but they are like capris, you know? Yeah, so I got this for well, I didn't get it for $34.99. I got it for $8.99, but the original price was $34.99, and this is a size 8. I've been seeing this a lot on Instagram. I know the weather is getting cold, and I like to actually layer when I wear my shorts, so I can definitely layer this up with some tights, or I can definitely do like the high knee boots with these right here. Oh my god, that's definitely a vibe. Definitely a vibe. We about to get something started. But yeah, so they're really cute. But overall, the shorts are definitely a vibe. And dressing them up, as you guys can tell on the screen, it's a vibe, okay? It's a vibe. Alright. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you like me as a person, or you like, you know, my style, make sure you like and subscribe. And by liking this video, it actually will help my videos to be pushed out there. It will let YouTube know, like, hey man, Affy's doing it, man. What you doing? Push your content out to the world so they can also learn some things. And also it'll let me know that you like these type of videos and I should make more. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and also press the notification bell button to be notified every time I post a video. With that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you for supporting me. And leave a comment which style you vibe with the most. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's like I don't want this to end because I'm vibing with you, but it has to end. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.